Freeze, criminal! So you're the one who's been stealing sound clips from various creators across Flipnote City. What do you have to say for yourself?
You butt nugget!
What? How dare you speak to an officer that way?
You have the talent of my shoe.
Well, that hardly makes... Alright, pal. Any other felonies I should know about?
There's a chicken in my bed.
Keeping a chicken as a pet is illegal in this part of the city. Where did you get this animal?
None of your business!
Are you being bossy with me? That's it, I give up. You're off the hook, buddy. Just stop being so annoying. At least you understand me.